Hello guys, welcome back to Keeping It Kyra. It has been so long since I have talked to you guys and have seen you guys. Lately life has been super crazy, just work, school is good. So like quick little update. I have been gone just because life has been super crazy. School keeps me busy all the time. But yeah, so I haven't been making a lot of YouTube videos. As you guys can tell, I haven't uploaded in a few weeks. But I'm excited to actually get back into filming. So today's video is going to be my vanity. So I have discussed this in prior ones before that I had won a vanity from Dreaming Vanity. I will show you guys all the pictures of what they look like. I am super excited, like you guys have no idea. Like I want to just set it up right now. So the parts came from California. That's where she is located at. So yeah, I thought I'd just film this so you guys can see how I set it up. What was that? Oh yeah, I just want to say thank you for everyone that watches all my videos and actually supports me and likes the stuff that I post. Okay, so the first step that they said to do was to unscrew the screws in the back to take this back piece off, and then that's what I can place in. This is the moment of truth, okay? This is the moment of truth. See if I actually installed this correctly, because I had no help. I did this all by myself, and I cannot follow instructions to save my life.
Can you guys see like the color, like the lighting difference? Oh,
Look at this lighting. This is freaking gorgeous. Okay guys, so I am finally finished with my vanity. I am so excited. I cannot even like hold it in. Like I can't wait to just upload it and show you guys how great the lighting is. Like I'm sure you can tell from like before and after. This lighting is, I can't even stop looking at myself. Like this is just ridiculous. I'm going to close out today's video right here because I am excited and I can't wait to just like take selfies and get to work. So I just want to say, oh, I actually have to show you guys. I'm tripping. So this is what it looks like. Sorry for me looking rough and my bedroom looking junky, but for a close-up, this is what the vanity looks like. So this is all my stuff. This is the off and on button. My nail broke, I'm so sorry. This is the off and on button and it's dimmable, so you guys can see how the light bulbs go down and up again. Okay, in their socket. So I'm charging my phone now. This is her information, but just this whole thing is ridiculous. Like, it is just, here's me. So I just want to say thank you for working with me and making this possible for me to receive this gorgeous vanity. It is amazing. Again, I will leave all her information in the description box below. If you like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will be uploading more, I promise, pinky promise. Yeah, so stay tuned guys for the next video. Bye.